Kasorkar Meghalaya bat kipat ba kajala kila Pdiang Burom ya kajeng 1 point kilai tili ki buskit bahe trophies jong ka Durand Cup shispa lai pakundai ha Shillong ha ka khatway tarik naitung ha kajeng kemen ka bakraw ka Durand Cup football tournament kala kenjo shispa lai pakundai senam karta bat ka deka tournament ka balarim tam hado ba Asia bat balai ha ka perthai ya kini kilai tili ki buskit ka Durand Cup an pen I nam ha Shillong jowai batura khnang ba ki pat ba khamtam ki Samla kin yo pan pej benya yaka ya ka jingalang Pdiang Burom ki kilai tili ki buskit ka Durand football tournament lapan long state convention center ha ka jing dan lang uba wairat mi ki Shilla Menteri Sports and Youth Affairs Lieutenant General Mohid Wadwa SM GOC 101 area Air Marshal Devandra P. Hirani, Senior Air Staff Officer, SASO, Eastern Air Command, EAC, Shillong, Kong Ida Shisha Nongrang, IPS, DGP Meghalaya Police, Major General D.K. Singh, SM, VSM, GOC, Bengal Sub Area, Kong Isa Wanda Lalu, IAS Secretary, Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, Bun Ngut Ki Officer Shipai, but Officer Khuborjylla, Ki Football Team, but Ki Samla 8 Football. Ya ka Kong Isa Wanda Lalu IAS Secretary Department of Sports and Youth Affairs lapan Khubor ban penyat ya baro kijing penkre ya kani ka tournament ha Meghalaya. Ha ka jingkran ka loong da ka jing sngau sarong kani ka di ka stem ka balai ba ka jela ka penyat ya kani ka tournament ka palayat tersiang na dong syadong bat ka balakan tiu ya ka nam ka Meghalaya kum ka jela ka batam ban penbiang ya baro kijing dan kam. Kalau ong ru ha kajing penyan bat jing alam jong menteri rangba konrat ke sangma ka Meghalaya kala pen kreat na dong syadong na ka benta kane ka tournament ka Meghalaya kala mang syajar praspa klur tengka na ka benta kajing dan kam ha ka sports bat sa praspa sa pusa klur tengka menta usnam kirang ba sipai kan thop yu Lieutenant General Mohid Wadwa bat Air Marshal Devendra P Hirani kilaya ro e kajing pet kreat ka sorkar Meghalaya lai tili ki team football na Meghalaya ki ban ya aireng ha ka Durand Cup menta usnam ka Shillong lajong ka nongse bat ka langsning ka ban sedang ha ka arpusan tarik naitung hadu arpu lai tarik nailar ar hajar arpu rio ki jela ban penlong ya ka Durand Cup kilong ka Meghalaya prasin kan top ya ka quarter final bat semi final ha JN Stadium katba ya ki way pat ki jinga khun an penlong ha West Bengal Jharkhand Assam bat Manipur.
Dear friends, a very warm welcome of the Indian Armed Forces and a special welcome to the partnership, the collaboration between the government of Meghalaya and the Indian Armed Forces. And to commemorate this monumental partnership, we will now proceed.
The Durand Cup at Meghalaya. Today is not merely a ceremonial gathering. It's a celebration of tradition, a celebration of sports, and a celebration of the enduring bond between the armed forces and the government of Meghalaya and the people of this vibrant state. The trophy tour became an integral part of the Durand Cup journey, taking the tournament closer to the people of Meghalaya and celebrating this deep bond between football and the communities that have embraced this game for generations. It's our way of sharing our excitement of the tournament with fans even before the first whistle has blown. The Cup is not just a football tournament, it's an institution, it's a legacy and a living chapter of the sporting history of our great nation. first inaugurated in 1888 in Shimla. It's the oldest football tournament in Asia and India and one of the oldest tournaments in the world. What began as a competition amongst regiments of the Indian Armed Forces has now grown into a national character, with it becoming India's most prestigious football tournament. It carries forward with it the qualities and values of discipline, camaraderie, courage, and sporting excellence for well over a century. As custodians of the Durand Cup, the Armed Forces through Eastern Command and the Durand Cup Organizing Committee remains committed to preserving the rich legacy of this historic tournament while ensuring that it continues to evolve with the changing landscape of Indian football. Over the past few years, we have worked to expand the tournament's footprint, taking top quality football to passionate regions and bringing the game closer to the communities that have nurtured generations of talented football players. Durand Cup is serving to integrate teams from far-off regions like Ladakh and Kashmir, and also in addition to Manipur, with the aim of integrating and spreading the messages of peace and prosperity. This edition of Durand Cup has 24 teams from all over India, divided into 6 pools. The 6 pools will be playing at 5 destinations spread across the Eastern Command. These being at Ranchi in Jharkhand, 2 pools playing at Calcutta, 1 pool playing at Guwahati, 1 here at Shillong, and the easternmost destination being at Imphal. The entire tournament will commence on 25th of July and will culminate with the finals on the 23rd of August. Meghalaya has become an integral part of this journey. We are delighted to return to Shillong once again, reaffirming the city's place as one of the key destinations of the Durand Cup. Shillong has long occupied a special place in India's footballing landscape, nurturing a football culture that continues to inspire players from across the country. There are cities that host football and there are cities that live football. Shillong proudly belongs to the latter. With passion, not the nation's football fraternity, making this city a befitting venue for the conduct of the Durand Cup. Given the massive support that we have received from the government of Meghalaya, and football being the life of the people of Meghalaya, we and the Durand Cup Organizing Committee has taken it upon themselves to have one of the biggest chapters of the Durand Cup being conducted here. From 31st of this month till 20th of July, 30th of August, at the JN Stadium here, there will be 8 exciting games being played. 6 at the league level, 1 quarterfinals, and will culminate with the semi-finals also being held at Shillong. Football lovers in Meghalaya can thus look forward to some exciting games and watch some of their finest clubs participating. At Shillong, as has been highlighted, we have 3 local football giants, namely Shillong Rajong Football Club, Nongshek Sports Social and Cultural Club, and the Langsning Football Club. In addition, we have a great team from outside, the Indian Football League team, Mumbai Football Club, which I am sure will add a lot of value to the tournament and the quality of football being played here. We are confident that Shillong's passionate supporters will once again create a perfect ambience and make this leg of Durand Cup a memorable celebration of football. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, whose vision and unwavering commitment to the development of sports, particularly football, has played a significant role in strengthening Meghalaya's position on India's sporting map. And as highlighted, we have the National Games coming up in March next year. This continued encouragement has helped create an enabling environment for hosting marquee sporting events such as the Durand Cup. I also extend my sincere appreciation and gratitude to the Honorable Sports and Youth Affairs Minister, the Government of Meghalaya, the local administration, and the entire state machinery. Their wholehearted support, meticulous planning, and close collaboration and coordination with the armed forces and the Durand Cup organizing committee has made this possible to have the tournament here and it to be conducted in a most stellar manner.
It's pride and honor for Meghalaya to host the launch of the trophy tour of the 135th edition of the Durand Cup, the oldest football tournament in Asia and one of the most prestigious football competition in the world. At the outset, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Indian Armed Forces and the Durand Cup Organizing Committee for their continued trust and confidence in Meghalaya. This is the third consecutive year that our state has been entrusted with hosting the Durand Cup. That itself is a strong testimony to the Meghalaya proven ability to organize sporting event of the highest standard. Football is not a game in Meghalaya. It is a part of our identity. It is played in every village, every school, every town, and every district. It unites communities, inspire our youth, and bring immense pride to our state. This year, Meghalaya will proudly host the Durand Cup from 31st July to the 20th of August 2026. With 8 exciting matches, including 6 league matches, 1 quarterfinals and 1 semi-finals right here in Shillong. But no doubt, I think like everyone, including me, I think I will take this opportunity to request. No doubt we are very grateful to the armed forces for giving us this opportunity, but definitely we are looking forward to host the finals also in Shillong. So I will take this opportunity to urge that if possible this year, if not in the coming years, we definitely would like to host the final right here in Shillong. We are delighted that our own club, Shillong Lajong FC, Nongse Sport Club and Cultural Club and Langsning Football Club will represent the footballing spirit of Meghalaya on this prestigious stage alongside top clubs from across the country. The government of Meghalaya, under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, has made sports one of the key pillars of our development agenda. We firmly believe that investment in sport is an investment in our youth, our health, our economy, and our future. Today, Meghalaya hosts more than 35,000 participants in state sporting events every year. And since 2022, we have successfully organized over 14 national and international sporting events. Tourism is no coincidence. It is the result of careful planning, sustained investment, and strong partnership. One of our proudest initiatives is the Chief Minister Football Mission, through which 125 grassroots football centers are nurturing more than 10,000 young footballers, including over 2,400 girls. The mission is creating pathway for young talent, including the footballer continue that to make us proud. The mission is creating the strengthening club, coaches, competition, and football infrastructure across the state. We are equally committed to supporting our club. Shillong Lajong FC has received substantial assistance under the Chief Minister Football Mission. 3 crores have been given for Shillong legend for participating in I-League. And also supported has also been extended to Nongse Sport and Cultural Club and Lansing Football Club to strengthen their preparation for the coming season. Our young footballers continue to make Meghalaya proud. Their outstanding performance of our under-17 team in France and the invitation extended by the Olympic Lioness Academy by our under-18 state team demonstrate that Meghalaya football talent is now receiving international recognition. Ladies and gentlemen, alongside talent development, we are creating world-class sport infrastructure. The Meghalaya Sports Complex, which will become the largest dedicated football stadium in Northeast India with a capacity of 40,000 spectators, represent our ambition to place Meghalaya firmly on sporting map. The development of PA Samla Sports Complex, JN's complex, YJ Stadium and Ampati Stadium reflect our commitment to ensuring that every aspiring athlete has access to quality facilities. These investments are not merely about constructing stadium. They are about creating opportunities, generating employment, promoting tourism, and inspiring future generation. The Durand Cup perfectly complements our vision of making Meghalaya the football capital of India. We are confident that every visitor, every players, and every football enthusiast who come here will experience not only exciting football, but also the warmth, hospitality, and the beauty of our state. I urge every citizen of Meghalaya to come forward and support this great tournament. Let us fill our stadium, cheer for every team, and showcase to the nation that Meghalaya is truly a passionate football-loving state. Before I conclude, I once again express my sincere appreciation to the Indian Armed Forces, the Durand Cup Organizing Committee, the All India Football Federation, all participating team, our official, volunteers, and everyone working tirelessly behind the scene to make this edition another grand success. In the recent review meeting, we have discussed thoroughly to make sure that this edition as well will be a grand success. And at the same time, keeping in mind that the people, because we need the people, the spectator, the sport, the football loving fans to come to the stadium, we make sure that the ticket price as well should be reasonable for the people to come and watch these matches. Together, let us celebrate football. Let us celebrate friendship, discipline, unity, and excellence. I wish the 135th Durand Cup, where every success, and look forward to witness yet another unforgettable chapter in the Indian football history being written here in Meghalaya. Khuborjylla, Meghalaya, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Let's put our hands together as we share and exchange the emblem of our collective spirit with these tokens. Thank you. We will look forward for an amazing show ahead. Exchange of tokens of goodwill happens here through a partnership between the government of Meghalaya and the Indian Armed Forces. Sign of our shared journey and mutual respect. success of the Durand Cup 2026. Let's hear it for the spirit of football in Meghalaya.